all, it's Quality EG here. I just want to go through Meld pretty quickly with you and show you one of the reasons I love Meld. So, one of the reasons I first went with OBS was I wanted to be able to play music, so copyrighted music, but not get copyright striked afterwards. So a lot of people have to delete their VODs afterwards. However, if you use Meld, you go to the source that you have your music on, which would be this one here for me. You click edit, and then you simply press a little tiny button that says exclude from Twitch VOD track. It is that simple. With OBS, I had to watch multiple videos, look at multiple articles, and it still wouldn't work. With Meld, it is a simple two-step thing. You click edit, you click exclude from Twitch VOD track, and it's gone. It disappears when you save it. It's just freaking awesome. And yeah, it's just so easy on my PC as well. It's so simple. And if you have a VTuber like I do, a PNG tuber, I don't have it active at the moment, but you literally just go to source, click whatever you're selected. So I click via VA DoTube because I use a PNG tuber. But if you want presets, you can have 3D, you can have NASIs, you can have black and white. And if you obviously use a chroma key, you go to effects, click chroma key, and set it however you want it. It is that simple. This is really simple for people like me. When OBS when I first started using OBS, it was really complicated and I just could not get my head around it. But this is super easy. Meld is truly the future of streaming software. I would recommend you go check it out. Everything is super simple. You got the go live button there, you got the record button there, you've also got a clip button. Everything is right at your fingertips. And honestly, I cannot wait to see all future updates for Meld. And yeah, go check it out, guys.